Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off Temu email notifications. You can stop Temu from sending promotional emails by changing your notification preferences in the app or on the website. So open the Temu app and sign in. Next, tap your profile at the bottom. Next, tap settings in the top right corner. Next, select notifications. Now you can turn off email notifications. So look for email notifications or disable promotional emails depending on your version of the app. So you can select promotions and click edit beside it. Then you can turn off push, you can turn off in app notifications, or you can turn off email notifications. So make sure you disable email notifications. So your changes are saved automatically, or you can tap save if prompted. You can also do the same with the others. So you can click edit beside order updates and you can turn this off, turn off email, turn off push, then click X and it will be saved automatically. You can also turn off chat messages. So turn off email, SMS, and push, etc. And that's basically it. So again, just open Tamo app, then click U in the bottom, then click settings icon in the top right, then click notifications, then select promotions and turn off email. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.